So, Nick. How old are you?
I don't know. I think I'm like 4.
Very, very good. Alright.
It's a lightsaber.
Alright, can I get your attention, alright? We're gonna try to have a civilized conversation, alright?
Sure.
Okay, alright. I know it's gonna be a little hard, but we're gonna have to practice self-control. Now take the flat. Alright, stop. Hold it.
Okay, it's down. It's down.
It better stay.
It's off.
It's off. Alright, good job. Good job. Alright, next question. So what is it about trees that makes you just want to lick them so much? Like, they have a special taste or something?
That's like a Frollo.
Really?
Yes.
I didn't know that, really.
I have